Hi, this is Mike again. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to set up multiple calendars in Google Calendars. This is a way that you can, if you manage facilities or if you're sharing spaces with people, is to create appointment slots so people can check out different facilities. Say you have like 4 people using a library and that people need to book time doing that. You can do it that way. If there's multiple rooms, you can set up multiple calendars that have those appointment slots on them. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's open up a Google Calendar. Okay, so it's pretty easy. All you have to do is scroll down on the tool on the left here, and then it says Other Calendars. Okay, and then all you have to do is press plus, and then Create New Calendar. And then under the name, all you have to put is whatever name. Let's say you have multiple rooms and you want to create multiple calendars. You can go like Science Lab 1, Science Lab 2, or Main Library. I'm just going to go Test Facility 2 and check out Test Facility 2 like that. And everything else is pretty much set for you. And then you can create the calendar. And then once it's created, you can see it just showed up here on the left with its own little color code. And then all we have to do is just go back. Okay. So we're back on the calendar. And then if I scroll down, you can see that I have Test Facility 1 and Test Facility 2 down here on these calendars. I'm going to uncheck Test Facility 2. And I'm just going to go over here and then start making an appointment calendar for Test Facility 1. So then what I would do is I would come over here and let's say I want something open today at 11. And what I would do is I would go to appointment slots, and then I would go check out Test Facility 1 like that. And then what I can do is I can either manipulate the times and durations here, or I can go to more options. Let's try this again. Okay, so we'll go appointment slots, and then I'll add the title, check out Test Facility 1. Okay, and then go to more options. And then the advanced options will show up. You can add locations and descriptions and things like that. But let's say the period of available checkouts is an hour. I can just go 12 here and then to 1 p.m., 1 hour. And then slots duration, you can adjust it by minutes, but we can go 60. That. And then does not repeat. And I'll show you a way that you can copy this if you want to have that same checkout. And then just have that available for other multiple days without manipulating these and doing a repeat algorithm. There's an easier way to do it. So I'll just save it. Okay. And then, so what you have here is you have an appointment slot, and then you can tell by this little grid right here. Now, how you can confirm that is you click on it and it says go to appointment page for this calendar. And then you can see right here, it says check out test facility. This is what people will see when they go to check out that room or rooms. So they'll have this here. And then what you would do is you would share basically this URL up here. You would just copy that and then you would send that so people can click on it. You can make it a link with a nice little name, checkout room, checkout library. So you don't have to constantly be sharing this long URL. But that's what you need to do. You need to copy this and then send it to your people so they can check things out. Okay. So now we have a nice appointment slot. And then, of course, if I wanted to have multiple times in the same day, or if I wanted to go take this particular time and let's say I wanted to do it again on Monday, all I would have to do is click it, come up here to the 3 dots, click duplicate, and then all I'd have to do is just select, I'm going to do this one from 1 to 2, 60-minute duration, save, and now you can see now I have another one from 1 to 2. I can do the same exact thing by going here to duplicate, and then once I come back here, then all I would have to do is just change the date. So here, and I wanted to go to Monday from 1 to 2, save, and then you can see if I advance this, now it's on Monday as well. Okay, so that is how to create new calendars. And then within those calendars, create appointment slots for checking out facilities.